Well, I finally broke something. See that line? That's a crack. That Teflon tape. I had this sitting in my Ford wrench, like, to hold it, and I was using my little 6-inch crescent wrench. I didn't think I was putting that much force on it. I broke it after having this thing for, I always tell everybody, more than 10 years. But here's my fix. I just took the cheap 2-part epoxy, cleaned everything real well, cleaned out the threads, used my curved O-ring pick, which is great for getting down in threads. See that? You can dig stuff out. Put some of that epoxy on it. I took this out just in case the stuff run through there. I took it out so I could look in there. Put a whole bunch on there. I mean, I had some up on here. I took my scrubby buffer and cleaned it off. So I had a whole lot on there. I screwed it in and snugged it tight. Let it set overnight. So no leaks. And I'll never take the fitting back out. But it's my fault. You get Teflon tape on something, it gives you more slippage, makes it more slippery, making up words, and then that causes you over torque stuff. So beware using Teflon tape like on brass fittings. You'll break them. Those cheap female fittings where you put like the threads on either side, you'll break them. You don't watch what you're doing. I've done it before. So there you go. I finally broke a tool, but I repaired it. So it'll get me by. I don't think it'll ever leak. I just hung the thing up, let's see, this direction. Yeah, I had it this way, so if anything run, it would run away from the hole inside, but it never got in the fitting or nothing. So thanks for watching. Another successful repair.